Commuting sucks. It's that thing you have to do every day. The national average commute is increasing and it's not going down anytime soon. In New York City alone, its daytime population doubles during the workday, with workers driving, biking, or taking public transit, which is now 50% of New York City commuters. Our commute at Wirecutter recently changed too, with some of us traveling an hour to and from. Since we all have to deal with this, it's important you figure out how to enjoy it.
I'm Alex Arpaia, a staff writer at Wirecutter, and I just started bike commuting when our office moved to Long Island City. It's a nice way to get out, get some fresh air, and have a little bit more pleasant time than you might have on the subway. I come from Clinton Hill. It's about 5 miles, give or take, and it takes me about half an hour.
Welcome to my fairly recently moved into apartment in Brooklyn. This is an example of some of the stuff I take with me into work most days, and the Jackery bolt here normally goes in my pocket because it's super convenient, it's small, it's light, and it actually comes with cords, which is just great if you want to impress your friends or charge everything. And then I carry all that in the Stewart & Lau carry briefcase currently. City Mapper says Q's having trouble right now, so I'm gonna take a quick walk to the 2. One of the nice things about having a commute every day is that it gives me time that I know I can use to listen to podcasts. I like to use Overcast as my podcast app. It's super convenient. You can set up playlists of podcasts, like I have a morning commute podcast, and also you can queue up the next one.
Some of us work from home, but will travel once a month to New York City for a week. This is called super commuting, which is becoming more prevalent in the workplace. This recent emergence in commuting has been studied by Mitchell L. Moss, a professor at NYU. He's also been described as a New Yorkologist by the New York Times.
I study how technology is changing what cities do and how people organize their lives, whether it's work or travel or play in large metropolitan areas. We also have thousands of people who commute long distance into New York. So they might live, in Boston or Buffalo. You can be on Amtrak and be online. And work isn't just tied to the workplace. You can do work wherever you are.
Hi, Joel Sandra Domingo, senior staff writer at Wirecutter, here with my commute. Pretty long one. It takes about 2 hours door to door. I travel from north central Jersey, which is a thing, and is a combination of driving to the train station and then about an hour and a half on 2 trains, including the subway and New Jersey Transit. Most of it is about an hour on the New Jersey Transit commuter line. There's even enough time to open up a laptop and do some work, believe it or not. Pretty much carry this every day with me. Fits in this bag with plenty of room to spare. But another must-have is definitely the Origin Peace of Mind lotion. And it's great for dabbing on your forehead when you've had a stressful day. I've been commuting on this line for years. It was a lot harder when there wasn't mobile internet. At that time, you had to carry CDs with you. Now it's pretty easy.
Overall, getting to work is stressful, and stress affects all of us. Having a long commute has been known to lead to high blood pressure and can even mess with your sleep. If you're dreading to commute every day, that dread will spill over into your personal life. There's something about that feeling you get when you finally get home from a long day. It's a journey sometimes, getting there, so why not make the most of it?
Sorry?
So it's modern focusing. Hey, what's up? My name is Donald Glover, and today I'm performing This Is America.